Hey, what's up guys? We're back today with another great video. But first of all, what I want to do is thank everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I was checking the other day and there's like 610 subscribers. And to me, that's a totally awesome number. I never expected that many, to be honest. But I just wanted to thank all 610 of you. I really appreciate it. And I want to give a shout out to Mr. Bill Strand of Chameleon Academy. He had me on one of his live episodes on Sunday, and that was a lot of fun. We discussed monitors and starting your own reptile YouTube channel. So that was a lot of fun. It was about an hour long, so if anybody hasn't checked that out yet, please do so. So what we're doing today is, so we know monitor lizards are very intelligent, right? And it's good, you know, just to keep doing enrichment with them, things like that. So what I normally do, I try to do it like once a week, every other week. I've got this, it's actually a dog toy, and you can put treats in there. But I've been using it for Georgia to do enrichment activities with them. So I've got this cool piece of driftwood, and I'll bring the phone down here and show everybody, if anybody hasn't seen this yet. So I'll either cut up like silver sides or shrimp. Today I've got like 5 pieces of shrimp in here, and then I'll hang it from the driftwood. And I try to put the driftwood like in different spots of the house, either on the floor or try to kind of get it up off the floor, just, you know, so it's different each time, you know. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to see how long it takes him to get the pieces of shrimp out and how he goes about it. It's really, really cool to watch and very interesting because he almost uses his hands like tray monitors do, right? I mean, he's just reaching in there and just digging around, and he gets his nose in there trying to get the food out. So he's over here climbing around already. Alrighty, so I got this driftwood set up like so. I got half of it kind of braced on the table there. And Mr. Goober, he's been waiting. He's like, you keep telling me there's shrimp. He's like, where's the shrimp? I'm waiting on the shrimp. And he was on top of his enclosure over there earlier, messing with the ball. So I was like, come on, dude, we're gonna do your ball activity today. And he's been sniffing out the shrimp. He knows there's something in there. So I'm gonna try to sit down here with him. So last time I did this with him, he actually pulled like the little plastic piece that has the price tag and stuff on it. That was still on there, and that's what I had the clip attached to. And he actually yanked it right off the ball. So as you can see, I attached a zip tie and put that to the D-clip. And the ball's a little bit higher off the floor this time. Usually it's, you know, obviously depending on what direction I got this driftwood sitting. That's closer to the floor, then he can kind of lay on the floor and get his hands in there and fish out the pieces of food. So, like I was saying, I like to do this differently each time. These guys are highly intelligent. Oh, you got one. Oh, you got 2. Good job. You got another one, buddy. It's right under your chin. How did you miss it? So these guys are highly intelligent. You got to keep their brains going, their minds thinking, keep them motivated to keep thinking and learning. And You got it, buddy. Oh, another piece fell out. You missed it. There you go. I was like, I know you're not going to miss another piece. Good job, JoJo. So another couple pieces in there. I hope he still didn't see this piece. Look, it's under his belly. How did he miss that, guys? That's hilarious. I wonder if I can sneak it and throw it back in. I think he's too focused. Look at that look of determination. Get him, Georgia. Get him. Get him. You're not using your hands too much this time. What are you doing? The wheels are turning, guys. Go. It's on the ground, silly goose. So, how he's done this before, you notice that he's like pulling back at it, then he'll let it go. He's done that a lot, and he knows if he gets it pulled back and he lets it go, 9 out of 10 times a piece will come falling out. Look, he's got 2 on the ground. He doesn't even see them. I'm just going to keep feeding them back in. I got to keep moving with them. Goofball, how do you not see the piece of shrimp directly under your chin? Ay, ay, ay. What a character. He's like, maybe if I go about it from a different angle. This is sitting right under under JoJo's enclosure. What do you think, JoJo? You think you can do this? Are you smarter than a 2-year-old? What do you think, guys? Should we give this a try with JoJo, with the Savannah? I think she'd be good at it too. I would just be more concerned that she would get on the floor and be like, forget this, and make a mad dash and go onto the couch. Then she'd be stuck there for 2 hours. Huh. What do you think, JoJo? You want to give it a whirl? You want to give it a whirl next time? What do you think? What do you think, guys? Leave me a comment. Let me know if we should try this with JoJo. Goober, you get pieces on the floor you're missing. You got it. Good job. So if you guys notice, the ball does have small openings, but then there's a handful of bigger openings too. So he can clearly get his hands in there or get his nose in there and get the pieces out that way too. But he's done this activity so many times, he knows all he has to do is pull the ball back like he's doing, and then he lets it go. See? Usually, if he's lucky, a piece falls out. Oh, see? He's no dummy. Oh, that was kind of a big piece, huh? Chew it up. Chew it up good. Chew it up good. Good job. You're looking like a dinosaur, sir. Good job. Good job. I think there's one more in there. There's one more, sir. There's one more in there. There's one more. I'm glad I got the top of this wedged under there pretty good, or else he would have knocked over the driftwood already. I was trying to keep everything on the rug so he could use the rug as leverage. He's trying to get a grip so he could pull back, but his feet just keep sliding on the floor. And I've been trying to find a different enrichment toy. And I tell you, I probably got 4 or 5 pet stores within 5 to 10 minutes of my house, and I can't find nothing. The ones they have in there right now, like the openings are just way too big, and the food would just fall right out. Or the openings are just too small, and there's no way that he could even get the pieces out. So I'm gonna keep using this one until I can find a different one. Still good enrichment though. Gets him out of his house. Gets him thinking and learning and figuring things out, which is important for these guys. Can't just leave these guys cooped up in their house, staring at 4 walls and some branches. They need exercise and enrichment and love and attention. Not only does it keep them physically healthy, but mentally healthy also, if that makes sense. Kid, what are you doing? You got one more in there, sir. One more. I think it's a tail. You got a shrimp tail in there. It's funny that he's not using his hands more. Usually he does. Cool. You got him. You got him. You got him. Goofball. You just stepped over the shrimp. Goofball. It's Georgia. It's on the floor. Georgia. He's like, I smell the shrimp. Where's it at? You're about to sit on it. What are you doing? It's right there. Hey, goofball. Hey, goofball. Look down. Look down. Georgia, look down. Good night, Irene. Oh, that's hilarious. Good job. We're at 14 minutes and 45 seconds. But subtract a few minutes for my intro at the beginning of the video. So, I don't know, it probably took them, 10, 12 minutes? Oh, did you miss a piece? But it was a little bit more difficult for him to do. I'm sure you guys noticed because the ball was a little bit higher off the floor, so he had to come up with a different way to go about it, which kept him thinking all the way through. You got him, Georgia. Good job. You got them all 5 pieces. Good job. Good job. Was that fun? Was that fun? Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. Now he's gonna sit down here and play with the ball for a couple minutes thinking there's more shrimp in there. You're my good boy. You're so smart. What happened with JoJo? Did you give up over here? Did you give up, JoJo? What are you doing? Look at JoJo. What's up, JoJo? You ready for a nap? You taking a nap? What are you doing? What are you doing? She's like, I want to play too. Next time. Next time we'll do it. We'll do it with JoJo. How's that? We got to figure out what to put in the ball. Something. Maybe some grasshoppers or a few dubias. We'll figure that one out for the next time. And hopefully she doesn't decide to just go running under the couch. So we shall see. What are you doing? Hey, goofball. What a nut. You're a character. You are a character. All right, guys. So what do you think? Was that pretty cool to watch? I always like to watch him do that. Like I said, it's a lot of fun, good enrichment for them. So that about wraps it up for this one. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, and like I said, leave me a comment. Let me know if I should try this with the Savannah with JoJo, and maybe let me know what kind of bugs I should put in there. See if she'll fish them out like Georgia does. Should be interesting. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. That would be awesome, and I would appreciate it. So until next time, guys, everybody have a great day. Adios.